They're underwater. They're all underwater except for the last guy. And then pop, they come up. I think I can see them pretty clear. Ed, do you see what I mean? Birdfish. Down, down, then up. That's it.